So we've left Victor Harbour and we've just arrived at Rapid Bay. I'll show you around.
Just the gatekeepers here letting us in. We've had to pre-book to come in here for 2 nights. So I'm just getting the caravan in here. This place is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like it. Rapid Bay, definitely on the to-do list. Hey, look at the misso getting in the water. He's all shy. We're finally here, Cass. Hey? Very nice. We're finally here. Alright, Centenary Park in Greenock, beautiful spot. Here you've got donation box just as you come in off the path. You're within what, 500 metres of 3, 4, 5 wineries. You can head out to do the scenic route. It's just on a cricket ground here, so lots of locals, people walking their dogs. Just over to the left here you've got the toilets, a dump point, and fresh water fill up. So make sure you got your containers on board if you're staying here longer than 2 weeks or a week. But yeah, what a beautiful spot this. We've just got our van just off to the back here. And just make sure you've got your leveling ramps. The ground is uneven the higher you get up the back, so a lot of people are coming back down to the bottom, just putting their leveling ramps up, and it's actually works well for everyone. But just be mindful, there is cricket being played, cricket training during the weeks and cricket on the weekends, so just don't park your car near the fence and you should be right. So we're going to head off tomorrow, going to head from Barossa Valley down to do the York and the Eyre Peninsula. So I think we're going to do some shopping along the way, and then I think we're going to head down to Daly Point and then start heading up towards Point Turton. So beautiful night, watch the sun go down, have an early one.
So we've just come into the Barossa Valley and we're having a look at where we can go try some wines. So have a look at this board. Where are we looking?
I'm going to go to the Barossa Valley Estate, just down here at 23, so we'll take a right out of Alright, we've just come into the Barossa Valley Estate Winery. As you can see, a beautiful place. So we're just going to come in here and try a few wines, maybe sit outside. Cass is just here now. Not too sure whether they do food or not, but they can give you a rundown on all their wines. You can actually walk through the wineries to be quite honest as well. So we'll go in here and have a look around and taste some wine. Cheers. Excited, Cass?
Yeah, can't wait.
What's the water like, Cass?
So nice.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Crystal clear. What would it be? About 16 degrees. Yeah, the water. Yeah.